Let's begin in the pre-Exodus. How does God deliver creation through Noah? After the original creation story in the days of Noah, humanity began to multiply, and they were beautiful in God's eyes until their hearts and lives were filled with wickedness and violence. The world was rampant with sin and disobedience. God regretted creating them. The Lord declared that he would literally wipe them all from the face of the earth. However, there was one man who did find favor in the eyes of the Lord, and this was Noah. Genesis 6:9 states that Noah was a righteous man, blameless among the people of his time, and that he walked faithfully with God. God chose Noah and commanded him to build an ark that would save 2 of every species of animal and Noah's lineage. This included his sons and their wives, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. Noah followed the Lord's commandments, and he delivered them from the rising floods that destroyed every other creature left on earth. When the waters finally receded, Noah gave sacrifices to the Lord, and it pleased him. The Lord proceeded to make a covenant with all of creation to never again flood the earth and destroy humanity because of Noah's faithfulness. He instructs Noah to multiply and increase his numbers on earth. He even says in Genesis 9:15, "I will remember my covenant between me and you and all living creatures of every kind. Never again will the waters become a flood to destroy all life."